वाह खुदा, हम दरिया हैं और अपना हुनर जानते हैं। वाह खुदा, हम दरिया हैं और अपना हुनर जानते हैं। मुड़ जाएंगे जिस तरफ, रास्ता हो जाएगा, रास्ता हो जाएगा। 7th March 2019 was a day when we entered room number 209 with confusion and dread written all over our faces. Who knew that a new division would be made with students of both commerce and humanities?
There was a visible divide between the students of the two streams. And then, like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who united the princely states into India, Praveen sir united us into 12L.
The days we have spent together will always stay in our mind like a happy photograph. Indeed, years and miles will take us away. But these memories, these moments which we will cherish everything about Sunbeam of our childhood days.
The thing which we have never thought of, like commerce and humanities sitting together. The IS and IFS of tomorrow helping the CAs of the future and vice versa have come to reality.
We shared our lunch together, happiness as well as grief and grievances were also shared all together. We cried and laughed together, fought and became friends again all together.
The memories of excursion trip would forever provide warmth to our heart. Those moments of asking for birthday treats like hell, celebrating each other's achievement will always be afresh in our memories.
Now we call Shri and Sujit for the further proceedings.
We always associate school with the act of teaching, and often in doing so, we overlook several other activities which are extremely important to the function of the school. From the transport office to the reception to the transfer certificate office, every other job which seems trivial to us but is extremely important to the school, and it's invaluable. I thank the office staff for their invaluable service and the support that they have rendered towards us. I invite all the representatives of different sections to present a token of appreciation to the office staff.
Support staff are the actual unsung heroes of our school. आपका योगदान हमारे विद्यार्थी जीवन में अमूल्य रहा है। जब हम अपने कक्षा में प्रवेश करते हैं तो हमें एक साफ और व्यवस्थित वातावरण मिलता है। हम आप सबके प्रति सदा कृतज्ञ रहेंगे। So now I invite the representatives of class 12 to present a token of love and gratitude to the support staff.
नूर अनवर से अंधेरों को मिटाया आपने, नूर अनवर से अंधेरों को मिटाया आपने और किस्मत का सितारा जगमगाया आपने। खुशबुएं अफजल जमाना हमको कहता है मगर, खुशबुएं अफजल जमाना हमको कहता है मगर, आज हम जो कुछ भी है हमको बनाया आपने, हमको बनाया आपने। On this note, we call the students to share their feelings about their respective subject teachers.
We invite Ritvik and Muskan for the same.
शिकस्ता नाव अपनी हो और मौजों का ये तलातम, फिर देख उन तेज मौजों को घबराना नहीं आता। यूं तो हम यूं संगदिल हैं, यूं तो हम यूं संगदिल हैं कि पत्थर भी पिघल जाए पर नाजुक सी उम्मीदों को ठुकराना नहीं आता। Dear Praveen sir, we have always studied English and more as a subject, but sir, you made us realize that it is a language, and the way of studying English as a language made it easier for us to become better at it. We are so lucky to have a young man of 50 who is so understanding and encouraging in the last years of our school life.
Earlier, it won't be wrong to say that we were all scared of you. But soon, we came to know you as a different personality inside and outside the class. You somehow always caught us at the wrong place at the wrong time, and still, you never scolded us. You always made us realize what is right ourselves. And sir, we need to admit that you have a voice that can silence a room, but a heart of pure gold and a pair of really soul feet.
We won't ever forget the little motivational sessions you took in our class. Yes sir, we all are the little Hanumans and you are the Jambant who always try to bring out our potential and capabilities to light. Sir, we can and we will make you proud. All we can say is thank you. Thank you sir for everything. We'll miss you.
Dear Ashutosh sir, you are the teacher we'll never forget. You gave us wits, rules, and you believed in us. The smart tricks given by you will always be remembered. Your star mark question questions have always helped us in solving accountancy like a breeze. 12th एक ऐसा साल है जब आपकी मुलाकात आपसे होगी. Indeed, this line of yours has inspired us to work hard. We will always remember the melodious songs sung by you. We'll miss you, sir.
So, now that is sir. Sir, as you say, आधे लोग मेरे बारे में बोलते हैं, पढ़ाते तो अच्छा है, लेकिन क्या पढ़ाते हैं पता ही नहीं चलता. Sir, this is not true. Whatever you teach and the way you tell us realities of life, we remember it and try to understand the depth and importance of those lessons. Sir, you take us from room number 10 to snow-covered mountains and lush green forest. You are that one teacher who has taught us valuable lessons of life along with oceans and metamorphic rocks. You are always built confidence in us that we are not less than anyone and spark our minds to question things. The memories that we created in room number 10 is unforgettable, and so are you, sir. Thank you very much.
You not only teach us, you inspire. You have not just prepared us for something, you have helped your students to face anything. You made a subject like economics extremely interesting. Your utmost dedication and commitment towards your work never fails to amaze us. Sir, you deserve all of our respect and are truly an idol for many of us. The aggregate demand for your classes has always been in excess. And then the end would come and you'll say, "Class, that's all for today," suddenly making realize that your period is over. Thank you so much, sir, for everything you have done for us. We will miss you.
God bless teachers because they open mind and touch souls. This definition truly fits your personality, ma'am. When we entered in class 11, everything was new for us, and sociology being the newest subject. But on this last day, I feel proud to admit that our ma'am has made us so able that study of society and knowing its functioning is no longer a mystery for us. Suparna ma'am, you are the symbol of women empowerment, teacher with the cutest smile, and mother-like for all of us. We are really blessed to have you, ma'am.
Respected Sanjay sir, thank you. You have given us a glimpse of business world. We also thank you to solve those mysterious case studies in an interactive way. Your daily basis advices has helped to make us a better people. आपके कहे हुए माइंड मैप्स बनाते बनाते ये 2 साल कैसे बीत गए पता ही नहीं चला सर. Dear sir, your French period, your iPad and obviously 425 पे डेली आपका ये पूछना कि टाइम कितना बचा है. Thank you sir, we will miss you.
The punctual teacher, the great preacher, we will never forget you. The explorer of ancient civilization, the explainer of human evolution, the interpreter of Indian Constitution, we will never forget. The song you sang in the class, the sweets you distributed among the mass, we will never forget. One more request to our wish list we attach. Please sir, don't forget our badge. Thank you.
From homework to detention, advice to inspiration, everything you have given has filled us with motivation. He made us understand the real meaning of politics. He traveled along with us from Neelkanth Tiwari to Yogi Adityanath, rising our level up till Narendra Modi. And we finally landed in the era of globalization. समझ तो गए होंगे आप लोग कि इस none other than our dearest Pramod sir. आपका सपना हमारा मकसद, century in life. Thank you sir for always being there for us. We will miss you sir.
Dear Professor, from teaching us the basis of debit and credit to imparting life lessons in between those long accountancy classes which never become boring. Thanks for your humorous input in between, sir. Sir, you are no less than a father figure to us. Thank you so much, sir, for always being by our side and being much more than a teacher for us. When we entered class 11, commerce was a completely alien subject to us. But you must have been the first teacher who taught us how to draw a line, who taught us addition and subtraction all over again. Sir, Sunday for us will never be completed without you. आप हमेशा बोला करते थे ना, अकाउंटेंसी कॉमर्स की पहचान है. आज हम बोलते हैं, आप हमारी पहचान हैं. Don't take it otherwise.
take it otherwise. These lines of yours has connected us to the world beyond Ranga's marriage and Tableau's complaint. किसी चीज को अगर शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है. With these lines of yours, thank you, Pankaj sir. We will miss you.
Dear Pradeep sir, thank you for making our English classes so happening and fun. We'll miss those random spelling exercises that we did in class. Your ever smiling face motivates us. Thank you for being a true mentor and a wonderful teacher. We'll miss you, sir.
Every stream is identified by its own subjects, but the special subjects are the ones that we choose, and that is what lends a special character to these subjects. So we take upon this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude towards the teachers of all the special subjects.
It takes big hearts to shape little minds. And Neha ma'am, you are the one who has shaped our minds and personality, both in the journey that started from 2006 to 2005. The literature was saying, पूरे क्लास को बताओ क्या बोल रहे थे, will always remember. We really hope you have reasons to smile, as you have always been the reason behind that smile. You make learning interesting, you make learning fun. When it comes to psychology, you are the number one. Thank you ma'am for always being there for us.
Dear Info ma'am, you are an amazing teacher. We know we drove you to Istanbul, but when we grow up, we will remember you and your teachers. Heavy subjects made interesting, life skill knowledge along with subject knowledge and many more. And we will never forget the lines you always say, बेटा non-living things की इज्जत कर लो वरना एग्जाम टाइम पे अपना बदला लेती हैं. We will always remember you ma'am for everything. Thank you so much ma'am.
Dear S.B. Arora sir, without you, mass of the student would not have survived. The 2-year journey with you was splendid. Sir, we are your numbers, whom you have taught how to integrate with life and drive our potential and capability. You have always supported us at every point of time. The love, the care which you shower upon us will always stay in our hearts. Sir, आपने हमारे लिए मैथ्स को सिर्फ आसान नहीं, बल्कि हर ट्रिपल स्टार क्वेश्चन को very आसान बनाया है. Thank you, sir.
बेटा, don't take tension, हो जाएगा. This line of yours is unforgettable, Pradeep sir. Your words provided us with confidence and motivation. From scope of geography to its application in real life is a part of your teachings that we acquired. Thank you, sir, for whatever you did for us. We will miss you.
Dance and music is a hidden language of one's soul. So I thank the special subject teachers of the music and dance department for enhancing our knowledge and language of the elegant expression. Sukanta ma'am, your honey sweet voice and dedication to your work has always touched our hearts. And for sure, हम जो भी राग सीखेंगे उसका हाथ कान नाक पकड़ के याद रखेंगे. नृत्य ही उनकी पहचान है, नृत्य ही उनकी सम्मान है. जी हाँ, वो हमारी शिप्रा चक्रवर्ती मैम है. Ma'am, your joyous nature and motherly care has always made us feel at home. And along with your dance lessons, हम पैर छोटा करके बैठना भी खूब सीखे हैं. Ajay sir and Mamla sir, as Tali is to take up, you are to the music department. Your support and guidance has always encouraged us. क्योंकि तबला पूरा मैथ है बच्चों. And finally, Pike Roy sir, your lessons on Brahmacharya along with violin will definitely lead us somewhere in life. Your soft-spoken nature has always inspired us. Thanks to all of you.
Harpreet ma'am, the one who taught us how to say things with color and shapes, always helping us with every trivial problem we had. You always let us make our own share of mistakes and then learn from it. Applied arts classes would have never been this interactive without you. Hearts of gratitude are scattered all over in your honor. Thank you for being you, a great teacher and a mentor.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. You all made us realize the importance of this phrase. We are thankful to you all for finding the hidden sports person in us. Thank you teachers for making physical education a fun-loving class and inculcating team spirit in us. Thank you Shashi sir, Madhuri ma'am, Shivanand sir, Nilesh sir, Ajit sir. We'll miss you.
Pushpalata ma'am, thank you for playing the role of a mother in our lives. The life lessons given by you will always be remembered. You made Sanskrit really easy for all of us. We will miss you, ma'am.
We start with a brief class report to introduce the ones who make 12th L what it is. What to say about her? इनकी तो बचपन से ही शुरू हो गई थी अकाउंट्स की शिक्षा. She is none other than Diksha. Diksha was the captain of House of Peace last year.
Sometimes act childish, sometimes become the angry bird. Be aware of her indeed, she is utmost wonder. Yes, Devanshi Agrawal. She was the council member, participated in mock interviews and visited parliament.
पढ़ाई करने से जरा न कतराती. She is Ajani Gujarati. Jani Gujarati has won the first prize in maths relay in Iron Rocks.
Kabhi Karam to Kabhi Karam calls herself an introvert, but it is not anything as such. A very jovial, vocal and colorful. Yes, she is Janvi Rai. She was awarded for best performance in Hindi. She was the overall topper of humanities stream and facilitated in Protsahan. She stood first at state level in Greek Olympiad.
With a brightest smile and charming nature is the nightingale of her class, Sanjana.
Khushi Khemka, hashtag Bibliophile. She is always found with the books. She was the former hostel head girl. She was the school representative in Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. She got third position in budget dissemination and group discussion. And she is also the member of editorial board.
Prasan is sometimes serious and always humorous. He is the winner of first prize in entrepreneurship, first prize in budget dissemination, and second prize in conflict resolution.
In the world of where people are fond of English novels, she is the one who still can be found admiring books like Godan and Kavi and other Hindi literature. She is none other than Prakriti Yadav. She has participated in career fair.
बोलने लगी तो न रुकती है ये, पढ़ने लगी तो न थकती है ये, प्यारी है ये और है इनकी एक्टिंग बवाल, ये हमारी अक्षिता अग्रवाल. Akshita has won second prize in budget dissemination and third prize in conflict resolution. She was also a part of student council last year.
Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka, one of the best students of geography. Seems to be sober and decent, but she is the naughtiest of all. She used to apply her study of psychology on her friends and believe in taking chill pill. She is a helping hand to the classmates. She is none other than Anvi Kashyap.
Nikita Patel, the bookworm of our class. She takes keen interest in cooking and painting as well. She won second prize in social science project Chetna held at BHU and got a special verbal mention in MUN held in Sunbeam Varuna.
पढ़ाई में रहती हैं हमेशा ये मग्न, लेकिन इनके दर्शन मिलते हैं बहुत कम. A girl with a beautiful smile who makes her surrounding happy and cheerful. She is none other than Priyanshi Agrawal. She is not present today.
Neeti Goyanka, the chubby girl of our class with an ever-smiling face. Neeti got 100% scholarship in IMS and stood first in Uttar Pradesh. She won Diplomacy Award held in Sunbeam Varuna, MUN. She got 2-time Best Speaker Award in International Debate Competition. She was also representative of school in Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. She is also the member of editorial board.
The one who is very good at fine motor skills. You see, her finger speaks more than her mouth. The tabla vadak of our class. Let's welcome Suchi Agrawal.
Rahul Raj, the one with the jolly face and the clown of our class. Rahul was the vice head boy of hostel last year and was also the part of mock parliament.
She is a complete ambivert, disciplined, intelligent and focused towards her work. She has also got third prize in conflict resolution. Here comes Anantika Singh.
Rishabh Tripathi, talent है पर घमंड नहीं, the tabla maestro of our class. Rishabh actively participates in co-curricular activities and was also the part of moot court.
She is always seen with a smile and a book by her side. She is a former head girl and a permanent feature in every activity that takes place in the school. She is the overall topper in commerce and was also felicitated in Protsahan. She was also the part of editorial board. She came third in budget derivatives. She stood first in Navsadhana 2018 group song and RYCCE Biz Quiz. She got the consolation prize in Swarodaya Commerce debate at CHS Girls. So let's call one talented girl of our class, Shriya Agrawal.
Akansha Singh, the shawl the sheep of our class. Her sweet and quiet nature always appeals to everyone. Thank you.
दोस्ताना है इनका अंदाज, रखती है सबका ख्याल, लेकिन करी रहती हैं सबको बेहाल. She is none other than Smriti Agrawal. She stood first in maths reading and second in budget dissemination.
The Sunbeam stage has
has not been unfamiliar with him. The one with the most fine quizzing skills and has brought many laurels to our school. He is the school quiz league national champion, twice the BCS IT quiz champion, and there are many more to come. Yes, he is the former head boy of Sunbeam Bhagwanpur, none other than Sujit Ray.
Our class teacher says that there are 3 dolls in our class 12L. One amongst them is Samriddhi, the singing doll of our class.
The one who brings very tasty idlis for recess. She's the detective and solves all the cases of business. The second prize winner of budget dissemination. Yes, she's Sakshi Sharma.
The one who never found resting or silent. The most crazy and creative person with a lot of laurels in painting. Member of editorial board and also stood first in cartoon making. She is none other than Saki.
As reported by my both friends, he is the one always found with a badminton racket in the atrium during his leisure time. Has also won bronze medal in CBSE Badminton Championship twice. And not only in sports, he is an equally prolific violinist. So, any guesses? Yes, he is Ayush Ketan.
Silent है पर violent है. This certainly defines him. And be aware of him. National level boxing champion. He is none other than Subrat Singh.
Yes, she's the born CA of our class. Stood third in conflict resolution competition. She's none other than Shruti Meharia.
The chill pill girl, decent but humorous. One amongst the participants of IIT BHU MUN. She is none other than Surya.
मैथ सॉल्व करते हुए पाई जाती है ये अक्सर. जी हाँ, she is Sakshi Garg from Buxar. Stood second in budget derivatives and maths relay competition.
The chatterbox of our class and the current affair queen, and she was one amongst the participants of Sunbeam Varuna MUN. She is none other than our dearest Apurva.
Thank you. Girl, always found with a grin. The Bengali Bala with an edge in doodle making, story writing and dancing. She has attended the dance workshop under the guidance of Kathak maestro Pandit Birju Maharaj. She is the iron girl Alpita.
During exams, he never takes stress. With his jokes, everyone he impressed. Ayush Singhania is his name. He's the king of the game. Ayush also stood first in on to venture a commerce event.
The swan Jalpari, rough and tough at the pool, and equally humorous in the class, represented the school at many state and national levels and brought knowledge to the school. She has also got the title of Sunbeam Red in 2019 and was also the sports captain. Not only this, she has also got 50% scholarship from school. She is the only one in the history of Sunbeam to receive 5 gold medals in a go in swimming. She has also represented She is none other than Ayushi Upadhyay.
ये हमारे साथी हैं जो करते कम बात, चुप्पी साधने में ना दे सकता कोई बात. Introducing you to the आदर्शवादी बालक of class, ये है अपने आदर्श अग्रवाल. Adarsh stood third in budget dissemination and has been a runner-up in Nav Sadhana competition.
Ananya, the classic example of beauty with the brains, a poet at heart and a singer at soul. 4 of her poems have been published by the National Book Trust of India. Be aware, she has also completed her rock climbing course from Himalayan Mountain Institute, Darjeeling.
Be it dance or sports, she masters it all. Confident on stage, friend of all. She is none other than our Anushka Rai, who dreams of going beyond the sky. She has been a part of the council. She stood third in budget dissemination and first in conflict resolution.
Introducing you to the speaker madam of our class, she is silent at times but equally vocal at the stage. She was awarded as the best delegate at Jaipur ke MUN, participated in the mock parliament and the mock interview. She has also attended the experience at SNU program. She is our one and only Vishlakshi.
आर्यभट्ट के वंशजों में होते हैं शुमार, अकाउंटेंसी का इन पर चढ़ा है खुमार. क्लास के मॉनिटर में everyone he leads, नहीं है किसी की भी टीम को कोई नीड. Calling upon Ritvik Agarwal, the leader of the minority group of our class, who also stood first in maths relay for further proceedings.
Now, calling upon my monitors in crime, the partnership was never planned, but it happened over time. My co-monitors from humanities section, बचपना है भर के, लेकिन टिफिन करती सबका खाली. कैंटीन की है ये रानी, फिर भी है सबकी दुलारी. Let's call मुस्कान तिवारी. She has been an ex-council member and was the ardent leader of the section. From the commerce section, मस्ती में है नंबर 1, सुंदरता में नहीं किसी से कम, नृत्य से करती है प्यार, अप्लाइड आर्ट्स में छूती सफलता, ये हमारी नम्रता. She got second prize in the National Art and Design Fest Srijanya.
मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, लोग मिलते गए और कारवां बनता गया. We like to thank everyone who has been a part of our roller coaster ride with all ups and downs,
Meanders and slopes,
moments of joy,
tears,
celebration,
achievements,
and finally farewell. Now, as the journey comes to an end, we conclude our assembly with tons of memories,
plethora of experiences,
and innumerable moments to remember
and cherish.
थोड़ा सा हंसा के, थोड़ा सा रुला के, पर ये भी जाने वाला है, कल बहुत याद आने वाला है, कल बहुत याद आने वाला है. But in words of our class teacher, the show must go on. क्योंकि पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Well, this song is for all the teachers, for the students, for Sanvi, and I request all of you to sing along. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blowing 100 times. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम्हें देना साथ मेरा वो हम न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम्हें देना साथ मेरा वो हम Lord and one, Lord and two, Lord and three, Lord and four, Lord and 500 miles away from home. Away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home, Lord and 500 miles away from home. ओ चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ. Not a shirt on my back, not a penny to my name. Lord, I can't go back home this old way. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, you can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. तुम्हें देना साथ मेरा ओ हम
दिलों में अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम.
नजरों में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम.
हवा के झोंकों के जैसे आजाद रहना सीखो.
तुम एक दरिया के जैसे लहरों में बहना सीखो. हर एक लम्हे में मिलो तुम, खोल अपनी बाहें. हर एक पल नया समा, देखे ये निगाहें. जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम.
बंद आंखों से तो ख्वाब देखती है दुनिया सारी. बंद आंखों से तो ख्वाब देखती है दुनिया सारी, पर हमारी ये हसरत है खुली आंखों में ख्वाब तुम्हारे रहें हमेशा. क्योंकि अगर खुली आंखों में गर ख्वाब हैं तुम्हारे, तो तुम जिंदा हो, तो तुम जिंदा हो. Good afternoon everyone. It is a very special day when we are giving farewell to our students of class 12, batch 2020. This special group of young gentlemen and ladies who after spending almost 12 years of schooling are about to leave the portals of the school and step into a new world. As a class teacher of 12th L, I have no hesitation in saying that this class is full of variety. From roll number 1 to roll number 40, all are unique in their own way. Sometimes it was really difficult to handle them as they are so full of energy and enthusiasm. This section has been unique as for the first time ever, a mixed batch of commerce and humanities students was sharing the same class teacher. Every one of you is a gem in itself. You have raised the school flag at various occasions and have given us reason to smile. There are moments of joy as well as sorrow, and you took them in same stride. I have no hesitation in saying that in this class, I had all manner of students. It's the diversity in your character and personality that made me a better teacher. Dear students, today, as you stand at the threshold of the institution, do not look back at what you have not done, but look forward to what you can do in future and take with you the fond moments you cherished here. Just look forward and go ahead to see the world. Our best wishes are always with you. The world needs more intelligent youngsters like you. Success will be on your way. Just keep a few things in your mind. That be always right in your actions. Use your power to make others happy, not sad. Never surrender to any bad situations and keep strong belief in yourself. Go, the world is waiting for you, and sometimes in future, do come back to tell us the stories of your success. We'll be waiting for that. And lastly, I would say, let us then be up and doing with a heart for any fate, still achieving, still pursuing, learn to labor and to wait. God bless you all. All the best for your board exams.